This is Blissful Honeymoons and Destination Weddings and Blissful Vacations here at Sandals Negril. One of my favorite resorts. I can't wait to show you around. This is first thing in the morning, so not many people out yet, so I think you'll like this resort. So this is the Caribbean beachfront village in the backside.
So all of these rooms offer garden view settings.
So this.
Now we have Coconut Cove building, we have Royal Cottage, and further down we have Bamboo Grove building. Those are shop on resort, so for all purchases by your on resort can be done right here.
Got the resort shops. So if you happen to forget anything, you could always get something at the resort shops. However, I will warn you, they're a little more expensive than you would pay in the US. Like suntan lotion types of things. Here we are, the Caribbean beachfront village. Has one and two-story rooms. The two-story rooms come with butler. To show you the beach here. This is the 7 Mile Beach. Sandals boat that'll take you out scuba diving. Of course, at Sandals you have the water sports to take out. You can see the two-story with the up there at the top with excellent views. Here we are walking by the main restaurant of the resort, which is just past the pool. You just see more of that beautiful beach, how pretty that water is. A bistro on the beach, great place to grab a fish sandwich. Jerk chickens. Also got pizza. Here we are, the front of the Paradise Village that we just looked at, the room. That was a walkout. Continue. Got birds.
It's a good thing you didn't turn like right before you would have gone.
So as I was saying now, over here we have Palm Dawn. Now Palm Dawn is famous for every Wednesday where we host our white party.
These are some unique rooms. There's only 4 per building. Big open area for wedding locations and groups, rehearsal dinners, all types of things in this open area here. Croquet, another pool. You can see the start of the Himo restaurant. You can meet those over there. So we're getting ready to continue our walk here at Sandals Negril in Jamaica. Here we are at the Swim Out Suites. Their own private little pool area dedicated just to that whole building, and then their third major pool on property just to rest and relax, which is right next to the Barefoot Bar and Grill, which is always a favorite, just to sink your toes in the sand while you look at the beautiful ocean and have your meal. More of that beautiful ocean. A fun area.
Your final stop on the tour, and this is at the Games Lounge slash Piano Bar.
This is the Games Lounge slash Piano Bar.
2 a.m. the following morning.
So a fun place to hang in the evening.